video I'm showing how to make chili and apricot relish. Spicy and sweet and very tasty. And I'm having mine with a cheese platter. Also good with some roast meat. Delicious. Once you have a little bit, you'll want more. These ingredients you'll need. Okay, get a saucepan. Firstly, you are going to add 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of white sugar, half a cup of apricots diced onion, 1. Peel your apples and dice them. Add to the pot. Chop up your chilies. I'm using a glove because I don't want my hands to sting. Once all the ends are taken off, then I'm going to chop them. Then I'm going to rinse them in water to get a few of the seeds out. And here I am just rinsing the chilies in a little bit of water to get the seeds, like I said. Once you've done that, you are going to add them to the pot. And you're going to cook for an hour or so, till it's like a jam-like consistency, or it's making a gurgling sound. Once all cooked, you're going to add to some jars, let them cool down, and enjoy your chili and apricot relish. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.